In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys an application that I've actually never shared before. And of course, I want to share with you today because our method for today is super great. It's going to make you over $500 to a shocking $1,000 income. And the step 1 is to click on. In total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in today's video. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone, do their thing. Then you can concentrate on the last application that I'm going to show you. So, this is the app that's going to be able to earn you $500. I really encourage you to watch until the very end of today's video. So the first app we're going to be using is the one right here, and this is their official website, but we'll obviously just install it directly on our device. Basically, it's a free software that's going to help you make some money online by getting SMS created by the system and consumer. All you need to do is download it into your mobile phone, create an account, and it's going to send you random SMS messages, and you don't have to respond to any of those. And as I've mentioned, you are going to be paid for each one or that you'll receive. This app only works for Android because only Android allows you to read SMS. All you have to do now is to install your app and just wait to get paid. And this is how much they tell you about how secure their application is. Their app doesn't read any of your data. They won't sneak around your private messages or use any of your data to steal information or whatever. They're going to read their own text or SMS. Super safe. I've done so much research on it, and people are already talking about how much money they've made. Of course, they love how the system works because, as you can see, it's automatic. So you can earn money with the app without having to do anything. And they also have a wonderful recurrent program where you can earn 30% of your referrals profits. You can go on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. You can share it with Facebook groups regarding making money online. Maybe tell them that they can make passive income from that app. They're going to post your referral link, and you can still make income from your referrals. As you can see, the Money SMS app is legit, and they take all national matters seriously to ensure that they comply with the latest GDPR or privacy policy requirements. Now, if you're not sure if they pay their users, you can check their payment proofs for many users on an independent website, and those business. You can read more about them on this website, and you can see that people are actually receiving money using this website. The website does work, and the website that we're going to be using is called Money SMS app, or you can go on the website, moneysmsapp.com. So, let's keep going. Now, our next program is called Cash Magnet or Cash Magnet app. This only works for Android, but you have to stay tuned because the last application will work on both iOS and Android. As you can see, you literally don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the best reward programs that you want to play. So this one will pay you way more than the Money SMS app. You could just watch apps or play games and earn money in an entirely passive and autonomous manner. You may be sleeping, eating, working out, going outside, reading a book or the news, doing anything else that you do every day, and you're still getting paid just to install the app, leaving your smartphone. You don't have to do anything else, so get ready to earn several times more in only 3 months of work in the Cash Magnet. You're going to be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is how thousands of these satisfied users do it. It's completely secure and is sure that your data and personal settings will not be accessed in any way. So make money by doing nothing with your phone. You may learn more about what Cash Magnet is and how it works, and how it can help you make some money when you're not using your phone. You can leave your phone and have the app put on it, and you're going to be earning money passively. The third app is Current.us. This one is going to pay you over $1,000, so you can earn up to $700 to $1,000 in just a year, and a year just to listen to music. All you had to do was download it on your phone, and it's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. It's super simple. It's very exciting because you're going to get paid to listen to music. All you have to do is download the app, listen to the music, collect points. Now, the more you listen, the more you play, the more money you're going to be making. So, earn points by playing your favorite music. Spend your points on your favorite brands and much more. As you can see, this is available in many countries on this list. The app is called Current.us. The website name is Current.us, and the logo should look like this. You're going to find the app. Then you're going to go to your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, search for it, download it, start listening, get paid. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave us with your valuable feedback if you found this video interesting. Stay tuned to our channel till the next video, and until then, see you soon.